Well, I've been doing some 3D printing and I'm having a blast at it. Some pretty incredible stuff. My grandson asked me to do his baseball logo. I don't think I got the colors exactly right, but that logo is pretty close. And let me see if I can find one of the first. Here we got this letter F starting to kind of work. It's in a two-piece configuration, assuming that I was going to put the border on there and maybe print the border as one kind of pass and then do the middle part as a pass so we wouldn't spend a lot of time changing colors. Here's another F. They're kind of cool. Here is a border that came out. And these are all looking pretty good, but I ran into issues with tolerances trying to get this F to be inside of here in a nice comfortable fit. I finally realized what I was running into was I needed to generate a tolerance between the two edges. And what I was originally doing is I was scaling it in the slicer. So if we could bring up Fusion 360 here, and this is probably pretty crap looking, but as I zoom in here, you'll see this small little tolerance line that I've made, and that gives just a little bit of space, and I can set this by hitting the change parameters. I should really just take a screen capture of this. If I hit change parameters, I have a letter clearance. And so right now I've got a 0.07 millimeter clearance between the edge and the actual full-bodied letter. So as we start to look here, I actually built this, kind of the logo, all as one piece. And it turned out wonderful. I'm really blown away by how great this is. 3D printing is unbelievable. I've had my printer for like 5 days. Next, I have this L, and I can try to stick a piece in here, and she falls right on in. And then I have an F outline and some F letters, and those come together. And then this, if I could do two hands here, you could see this coming together a little better. Oh, actually, sorry, that's not that way. This should be like so. Oh, pretty tight, but it fits in there, and it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Now, my latest is if I take out these letters here. This is really difficult with one hand. Holy cow. Now I've got just the basic letters here. I did a combined outline. So now I can drop in this letter. It'll go into the F. And I can take the L and put the L in like so. And now everything fits together, and it's like a one nice, well, that's actually pretty loose. I may put some support behind it to keep it together, but it acts like a little jigsaw puzzle. So it's kind of cool. So this is for my grandson, Blake. Hopefully he gets a chance to see this, and we'll catch you guys next time.